factory seats for your EG Civic 94 through 2001. Acura Integra seats do bolt straight in. All 4 bolts do line up. Those are my missing truck keys. I replaced the lock cylinder already. That's neat. Hey guys, and welcome to Riggs Garage. Today, we're gonna look at Integra seats in the EG Civic. I just installed these, and this video is gonna be intended just to show you a quick installation and to show you that 94 through 2001 Integra seats are a great option for the EG Civic. I'll go through a couple of the reasons here that I got these. First of all, the original EG Civic seats seem like they're made for like 3-foot tall people, and I'm 6'1", and it's been hurting my back. I've been commuting in this car for almost 5 years. So the Integra seats, they have this adjustability here. You can see I can tilt the bottom seat pan, and then I can also move it up and down. And then over here, we have this beautiful lumbar ratcheting effect. Very awesome. Plus the pattern. Look at this 90s beautiful Japanese upholstery. It's such good looking. So I got these seats. They're basically mint. There's almost no wear. There's a little bit of push here, but there's no wear, as in ripped seams or seriously stressed out fabric. So I'm gonna be really careful sliding in and out of this car. But yeah, hit that like button and subscribe if you like this video. There's a lot more Civic content coming your way this fall. Thanks for watching. Now we do have a seatbelt wire here, and it appears we just have one clip. So I will unclip that. That is the indicator on the dash saying you do or don't have the seatbelt on. All right, vacuumed out both sides. Looking way better. This is the time to really, I got rid of like 30 years of disgusting spilled coffee along the console here. Now, spilled coffee would be along the console in this car because the cup holder is worthless. So you jam the coffee between the e-brake and the seat on the EG. So I know this from experience. All right, let's plug in some new seats now. I'm excited, here we go. Really nice. I paid probably more than I should, but I haven't seen any of this clean in a very long time, for sale at least. So I grabbed them. So this is the driver's seat, and you can see it shows almost no wear. There's a little bit here from when people get into the car and kind of push it over like this. So I'll need to be really careful with that to make this last a very long time. But these are super nice. I mean, they even still need a little bit of cleaning. You can see a little bit of dust here, but they're super nice. So I wasn't planning on buying these, but the deal came to me, and I went for it. So I should have bought injectors for my engine or put it towards the Honda, but they came, and basically my back's been really hurting on the EG seats. Ice cream. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Ow. I hate balls.
Alright, just laid the new seat in here. Now the seat belt indicator light. Let's see if that works. That's a fit. I'll pop this clip in. Like that. Now lay the seat flat.
Is it going?
All right, the seats are in. Now the bolt holes look like they line up. The seat belt clip lines up, so I'm gonna go ahead and bolt these down. And we'll look at the results in the daylight tomorrow.